What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you about the slope formula and how we use it to find the slope of a line between 2 points. Okay, so if you ever have two random points like this, okay, so here we have x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then the slope formula, okay, which is shown by the letter m, okay, whenever you see m, that means slope. So the slope is equal to this y-coordinate, so y of 2, minus this y-coordinate, y of 1, over this x-coordinate, x of 2, minus this x-coordinate, x of 1. Okay, so to find the slope between two random points like this, all you have to do is subtract the y's and then subtract the x's, okay, and put it in a fraction like this. Okay, and one other thing I want to point out is it doesn't matter which one you start with either. So if you wanted to, you could flip this. Instead, you could start with y of 1, so you could do y of 1 minus y of 2, and then put that over x of 1 minus x of 2. Okay, so as you can see, this second point right here, I listed it first right here, right? I put the y of 2 first and the x of 2 first. But then in the second one, I listed this first one first, right? I put the y of 1 first and the x of 1 first. Okay, so most of the time you're going to see the formula like this, but just so you know, you can also flip it, okay? But just make sure you always keep your y terms on top and your x terms on the bottom. Okay, so now that you know what the slope formula is, let me show you how we use it. All right, so here we have a couple examples. This one has some positive coordinates. This one has some negative coordinates. So let me show you how we use it in each case, all right? So this first example says, find the slope of the line between these 2 points. So 1, 3 and 4, 5. Okay, so before even starting with the slope formula, the first thing I like to do is label my points here. Okay, so this first point, I'm going to label my x-coordinate right here as x1 and my y-coordinate right here as y1. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this second point right here. So this x-coordinate right here, I'm going to label as x2, and this y-coordinate right here, I'm going to label as y2. Okay, so now that our points are labeled, now let's write out the slope formula. So again, the slope formula was the slope is equal to y of 2 minus y of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. Okay, so my points are labeled up here. Now I have the slope formula right here. So now we just have to plug in the values, right? So this is going to be equal to, all right, so first of all, y of 2 is equal to 5 right here, right? So y of 2 is equal to 5. So then we're going to subtract y of 1, and y of 1 is right here, right? 3. And then that's going to go over x of 2, and again, x of 2 right here was 4. So 4 minus x of 1, and again, x of 1 was 1. Okay, so then let's simplify this one more time. 5 minus 3, that's equal to 2, and that's going to go over 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, so 2 over 3, we can't simplify this anymore, so this would be our answer right here. So the slope, okay, the slope between these 2 points right here is equal to 2 over 3, or in other words, 2/3. Okay, so now let's try one more example here with some negative numbers. So this one says, find the slope of the line between -2, 6 and -3, -4. Okay, so again, first thing you want to do is label your points up here like we did right there. Okay, so your x-coordinate right here is going to be x of 1, and your y-coordinate right here is going to be y of 1. Okay, and then your second point right here, again, this x-coordinate is going to be x of 2, and this y-coordinate right here is going to be y of 2. Okay, so again, let's write out our slope formula really quick. So it's going to be y of 2 minus y of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. Okay, so then this is going to be equal to, well, let's see, y of 2 right here. So y of 2 is -4. Okay, so -4. and then we're going to subtract, right, y of 1. And y of 1 right here is equal to 6. Okay, and then that's going to go over x of 2, and x of 2 right here is negative 3, right, negative 3. And then we're going to subtract x of 1. And x of 1 right here is negative 2, okay, negative 2. Okay, so then the last thing we have to do is simplify this one more time. So negative 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 10. And then that's going to go over negative 3 minus negative 2. Well, this is the same thing as negative 3 plus 2, right? And then negative 3 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so down here, this is negative 1. And we can simplify this a little bit, right? So the negative sign on top cancels out with the negative sign on the bottom. So then we're just left with 10 over 1, okay? But we can also simplify this a little bit more, right? Because 10 over 1, that's the same thing as just 10, okay? So either of these two answers right here would work, okay? So your slope right here would either be 10 over 1 or 10. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, there's a couple playlists attached that I think you'll find helpful, so definitely check those out, and I'll see you there.